Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add image in Photopea. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Photopea, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding images in Photopea, a powerful online image editor similar to Adobe Photoshop, is a very easy and a straightforward process. Now, let me tell you that once you have added an image here in Photopea, it will allow you to edit images extensively, including adjusting colors, cropping, resizing, and applying various filters and effects. Now, there are two ways for you to add images here in Photopea. Number one is just click on File, and of course, click on New. Now, once the picture or the photo is added, obviously it enables you to start with the base photo or graphic that you can enhance or modify to suit your needs. Similarly to Adobe Photoshop, all right, it supports layer-based editing. Like here, they have the channels to composite multiple elements such as photos, illustrations, and text into a cohesive design. Now, another way for you to add image is simply go to the file folder and simply locate the file and drag and drop the file accordingly. All right. It's a very easy process because Photopea facilitates the creation of collage by allowing you to import multiple images onto a canvas. Of course, you can arrange, overlap, and blend images to create visually appealing compositions. Now, designers and creatives use Photopea to create mock-ups and prototypes for websites, mobile apps, and of course product designs. Adding images helps visualize how different elements will look and interact within the final designs. Now, with advanced tools like cloning, but we're not gonna do that right now, healing brushes and adjustments, Photopea allows you to manipulate photos creatively. You can remove imperfections, add elements from other images, or blend multiple photos seamlessly. And of course, Photopea enhances your ability to create, edit, and manipulate visual content effectively, making it a versatile tool for both professional and personal creative projects. Photopea supports various file formats including PSD or Photoshop, PNG, JPEG, and others. And of course, you can add images from different sources and formats, enable seamless integration within your creative workflow, whether you're collaborating with others or working independently. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.